guys, so I think he's just now discovering the food. Okay, let's see. Will he eat? Will he not eat? Will he investigate? Oh, I think he is. I think he is.
I think he's going to eat him.
Or not. Oh.
He's going to eat him.
He's investigating. He started snapping at stuff.
He's going to nap.
LOL, it looks like he has like a giraffe neck.
He can stretch his head up pretty high, can't he?
Yeah, in the camera it looks like he has a giraffe neck.
Oh, we scared him again.
We scared him.
I very scared him.
Yeah, you very scared him.
Yeah.
Where is he now? Oh, he's still in this little place. And again, another view of this little island there.
There you are. Muzzle, where have you been? I've been trying to reach you. Yes. Thank you, Felicia, for stepping in.
I'm
But
on.
I'm doing well, and the baby shower for my grandson will proceed as I
Okay,
think.
well, I guess he wasn't hungry.
How are Maxie and the baby? She named him James?
Yes, after his father.
And he's okay?
I was gonna name this video snack time. I will tell you guys if he eats
Maxie must be so
some,
relieved.
I'll make a video on it.
We
So
all
yeah.
are.